Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to check SAR value in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. First of all, go to the dialer, go to call button, and here go to this dots, and here type star hash 07 hash. Type star hash 07 hash, and maximum SAR level will be showing in your phone. Head SAR is read as 1.177 watt per kg and body SAR equal to 0.872 watt per kg. Click on OK. So again I am showing how to check. Just go to dialer, then type star hash 07 hash, and maximum SAR level will be displaying in your phone. In this way you can easily check SAR value in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.